I tried multiple ways to contact Instagram support and I'm here to show you the best method that actually works in 2025. Open the Instagram app, go to your profile, tap the menu icon, then select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Help, then choose Report a Problem or Support Request. Tap Account Status if your account has restriction. Instagram allows direct appeal option here, which is fastest way to reach support. When reporting an issue, clearly explain the problem, include dates, action taken, and screenshot if possible. Avoid short or vague options. If you run ads or business account, go to Meta Business Manager and use live chat or email support. This is currently the most reliable way to talk to a real person. Instagram replies through email, not in app message. Response usually takes several days. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.